Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so, a quick little video for you guys to just touch base with Android 12 since it fully is out there on all my Pixel devices that support it. I figured I would do a final video talking about Android 12 and what I think about it. So, let's not waste any time. Um, First of all, I gotta say with Android 12, it is a nice refresh. Um, to have this much change in the operating system is refreshing. It's nice. It's nice to get all these really googly things, and I think that's initially why the widgets and stuff kind of look like that. It's googly, right? When people refer to weird things on Android, it's the googliness in it, and it really does show that when you start to use it, when you start to apply widgets onto the home screen, the different types of widgets like the weather widget, the clock widget, those types of things being applied on here. It is quite nice to have. It does give a little dynamic, a little change in the feel of the usage of it, even though technically the use of stock Android is pretty much still the same, right? You still have your home display. You can add widgets and icons and stuff like that on there. And then you swipe up, you get to the app drawer, and you have the app drawer. But one of the things that a lot of people are talking about, which is pretty much true, and that is how much more snappier Android is with Android 12. How much more faster it feels, smooth, the fluidity, it's there. You really can feel it when you go through different apps and such, and whatnot. You would really kind of just like feel like just a little bit of jank, a little bit of, just a little bit of stutter and stuff like that. And that is still kind of there in certain things, depending on obviously what needs to load and how your data is. But as far as like things, once it's loaded, it's actually quite smooth. And one of the ways that I know this is by playing around with the Google feed. When you swipe to the right and it brings out from the left side, it brings out the Google feed, which has like news articles and stuff like that. You really can see how smooth it is. And I don't have the 90 hertz refresh on my phone, and it feels lickety split fast. Just when I'm swiping through it, touch responsiveness is there, and so that's something that I like. So yes, it is quite a bit snappy compared to previous versions of Android, and I like that. The idea with the Material U UI, I think that's actually a nice touch to it, as it brings the next level of dynamics involved. So I can appreciate that. That when you change out your wallpaper and such, it will make everything kind of match it, especially when you have the icons themed turned on. Uh, some people wish that when you swipe up in the app drawer, that the app drawer icons would be themed just like if you place it on the home screen. Some people don't mind it showing the original app icons such as that. For me, I say because there's all different types of users out there. I think it would have been a nice touch if you could not only turn on theming for your app icons to kind of just match out with the rest of the Material U user interface, but have it toggle to where you can also theme it in the app drawer or not theme it in the app drawer. That would actually be really nice. Um, the cool thing is that you do have this search bar on the very top, so you can really get to your applications if you want to. If I wanted to get to Twitter, just type TW, Twitter's there, but it also brings out like the last couple of interactions that I've had that I could just go straight to. Like if I wanted to go straight to Latrell, who's like on the top, I click Latrell and it opens up to my DMs with Latrell. So that's actually quite nice that I've noticed in Android 12. Not just only being able to search for an app and have it show up when you're in the app drawer, instead of just clicking on that and searching. Like I said, if you type where is it? TW, which will bring up Twitter, it does give your last DM interactions there too. So that's always nice. Um, I got to give it up to that. That's a nice touch. So you have like various different settings and such, like privacy, the privacy dashboard. There's a gaming dashboard that pops up when you play a game, but that's only activated when you play a game, right? Um, but that's actually nice to have. Um, just several things that's been integrated into Android. The ability to, see what apps is using your microphone, what's using your camera, just all those things. It's a very nice touch to have. It gives you an idea of what's using what, and I like knowing what's using what on my device. So that's always a very nice thing to have. But of all these things that I've talked about in Android 12 over the past couple of months, just seeing the final version of it and just seeing how well it interacts, how well it plays well, um, just the snappier speeds of it and such, all that stuff has been really nice. I do in fact applaud Google for doing this. Some people may not like it. Some people may not like the notification shade, the quick setting toggles on the notification shade. That's a hit or miss to some people, of course, preferences and such. Um, while it is, big, it's like really big. It's like right in your face type of thing. But I do appreciate that. That I can see what these quick setting toggles are, and it's easy for me to actually just kind of get in there and get what I need done. Turn off something, turn on something. It's quite nice, is what I'm saying. Um, so, what would I give Android 12 at this point? Just the way that it feels and everything, the fluidity, being much snappier, the new features baked in, um, all those things make a major play. And I gotta say that this was a very great move and a much needed one that we needed with Android for so long. That I'm glad that it's finally here. And yeah, um, you know, I say thumbs up on that. So, with all that, let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. You guys quite excited for Android 12, um, and its various different iterations that will be on on Samsung and such. Let me know in the comment section of the video if you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. I would really appreciate that. And for those who came back and watched it all the way through, thank you so much. Hashtag Android 12. That's it for right now, guys. Gotta get my day started, so I'll talk to y'all later. Aloha.